Oh, friends, when you hear Brabus, your heart probably races with visions of their iconic modified Mercedes G-Class, right? But hold on, this world-renowned titan of personalized car manufacturing isn't just about flashy upgrades. There's so much more to their magic. Welcome, everyone, I'm Max, and in this thrilling episode, we're diving into Brabus' lesser-known but absolutely mesmerizing craft, restoring vintage cars. Buckle up, it's going to be an incredible ride. Nestled in Germany's Ruhr region, the Brabus headquarters is a haven of automotive artistry. Every year, their passionate team breathes new life into about 20 historic Mercedes-Benz classics. Picture this, skilled engineers pour thousands of hours into each car, embarking on a luxurious restoration journey that's nothing short of breathtaking. I know, the reward? These reborn beauties see their value skyrocket, transformed into priceless treasures. The Brabus team scours the globe, hunting for timeless Mercedes classics, and this time, their eagle eyes landed on a stunning find, a 50-year-old Mercedes 280SL, hidden away in a dusty barn. After a meticulous inspection by their expert engineers, they sealed the deal for a cool $44,000 and whisked this gem to their headquarters. Can you feel the excitement? This 280SL, lovingly nicknamed the Pagoda for its iconic roof, belongs to the legendary W113 series, a masterpiece unveiled by Mercedes in the 1960s. Back then, car designs were shifting from soft, rounded curves to sharp, angular lines, and this 280SL? Oh, it's the perfect blend of both worlds, a true classic that screams timeless elegance. The journey continues as our beloved Mercedes 280SL arrives triumphantly at the Brabus workshop. Oh, the excitement is electric. First, the engineers dive in with a meticulous cleanup, lifting the car high to drain every last drop of old oil, coolant, and fluids with surgical precision. Here comes the real magic, time to tear it down. The first to go? That iconic exhaust system. After a thorough inspection, and to meet today's strict emission standards, this weathered old pipe gets swapped for a sleek, brand new exhaust. Can you feel the transformation beginning? With the car prepped, the disassembly charges forward. Next up is the stunning aluminum hood, a rare, uniquely shaped masterpiece with no replacement parts. The engineers handle it with the care of a priceless artifact, their hands trembling with reverence. Now, brace yourself for the heart-stopping moment. With the help of a mighty hydraulic lift, the team carefully extracts the 280SL's legendary 2.8-liter inline-six engine from its chassis. Oh, what a sight! The transmission comes off in one swift move, too. By the way, yesterday, Max spilled the secrets of manual transmissions on his new channel, Hypnosis Realm. Don't worry, Max is already planning to dive into automatic transmissions next, so stay tuned for that thrilling reveal. With the heavy lifting done, the team shifts to the nitty-gritty, methodically dismantling every single component of this beauty. As we've said, this 280SL hails from an era where car designs dance between soft curves and sharp angles, giving it that unforgettable round yet square charm that steals hearts even today. Oh, buckle up, friends, this Mercedes 280SL's nickname, Pagoda, is pure genius. Why? It boasts a breathtakingly square, pagoda-shaped hardtop that's an absolute head-turner. But here's the twist that'll make you gasp, it also comes with a sleek, rounded soft top. Talk about a car that's both round and square. For everyday drives, snap on the hardtop to shield against wind and rain. Heading out for a thrilling adventure? Swap to the soft top and cruise with unmatched style. Oh, what a brilliantly human-centric design. But wait, Brabus isn't just a master of mechanics, they're wizards of restoration. Their dedicated interior restoration team works miracles. Whether it's a worn-out convertible top or cracked, faded leather seats, they breathe new life into every detail with jaw-dropping perfection. Compared to a lone restoration guru toiling away, Brabus' multi-department dream team makes the process look effortless. Zoom in, and the scene shifts to pure artistry. The engineers, with laser focus, tackle targeted bodywork on the stripped-down, paint-free chassis. This classic beauty's frame is crafted from traditional steel, so the restoration techniques mirror those of a solo mechanic, but with Brabus' signature precision. The sheet metal work is now complete, and oh, what a sight! You can spot the difference in colors. Beyond the aluminum hood we mentioned, the trunk lid and doors are also lightweight aluminum. Can you believe it? Even back in the 1960s, designers were already embracing cutting-edge lightweight engineering. Oh, friends, the magic unfolding at Brabus is absolutely thrilling. Beyond the sleek aluminum components, feast your eyes on those shimmering decorative trims. Most are crafted from copper. That's right, these are the legendary chrome-plated treasures we all swoon over. Now, they're getting a stunning chrome treatment that'll make them gleam like never before. Why copper, you ask? It's pure genius. Not only does it ensure the chrome adheres flawlessly, but it also keeps the car feather light, amplifying that 1960s engineering brilliance. Can you feel the excitement? Meanwhile, in another buzzing workshop, the restoration of the 280SL's beating heart, the engine, is in full swing. The energy is electric. First, the engineers dive in, carefully dismantling the iconic 2.8-litre water-cooled inline-six engine, the mighty M130. Picture this powerhouse, 170 horsepower, 240 Newton-meters of torque, rocketing from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 10 seconds, and hitting a heart-pounding 200 kilometers per hour top speed. Sure, those stats might seem tame today, but back in the 60s, this was automotive royalty. Once torn apart, the truth hits like a thunderbolt. All 6 cylinders are scarred, riddled with rust, choked with carbon buildup, and even pooling with water. Oh, the challenge ahead. A full-scale engine overhaul is unavoidable. The engineers gear up for a heroic effort, boring cylinders, honing surfaces, the works. Every step is a love letter to this classic's legacy. The Brabus workshop is buzzing with pure magic. For those freshly cleaned parts, the engineers unleash a spectacular sandblasting treatment using glass beads. Oh, it's like watching rust vanish in a dazzling dance. Those stubborn carbon deposits and greasy oil stains clinging to the cylinders? They're no match for the ferocious high-pressure water blast that obliterates them. Sparkling clean, the parts are now ready to march into the epic engine overhaul. Can you feel the adrenaline? Over in another corner, a meticulous engineer is putting the mechanical multipoint fuel injection system through its paces. With the help of a high-tech diagnostic station, they test each injector pump's fuel output, tweaking it to absolute perfection. Oh, and here's a gem. One engineer tracked down a pristine original part to replace a worn-out component, because the old one was beyond saving. Fun fact, this fuel injection system is a Bosch masterpiece, and even the ignition distributor is getting fine-tuned to ensure those spark pulses hit the sweet spot. It's automotive wizardry at its finest. And get this, Brabus spares no expense. Their specialized testing equipment, custom built for restoring engines like this, is top tier. Take that fuel injection test station. Even as a used unit, it cost a whopping $33,000. Talk about dedication. It's clear Brabus pours their heart and soul into perfecting this restoration craft. Now, the moment we've been waiting for: assembly time. Meet Carl, a legendary engineer with over 40 years of experience assembling and restoring engines. With no blueprints or specs needed, Carl's masterful hands work like magic, piecing together this 280SL's engine with flawless precision. It's a breathtaking display of skill that leaves you in awe. Oh, friends, the Brabus magic just keeps getting better. Some parts of this legendary 280SL engine were too far gone to save, so the engineers swapped them out with brand new replacements, like 6 gleaming new pistons now pulsing inside. Can you imagine the thrill of giving this classic heart a fresh beat? Beyond the engine and transmission, the team worked their wizardry on every corresponding component, ensuring every detail sings with perfection. Back in the 60s, Mercedes knew how to spoil drivers. For that ultimate driving thrill, they offered this 280SL with both manual and automatic transmission options. How's that for choice? With all the major components now lovingly restored, this beauty is coming back to life. Now, zoom into the Brabus warehouse, a treasure trove of automotive dreams. Thanks to decades of expertise, it's brimming with parts for countless models, ready to fuel restorations. Picture this, a pristine new dashboard waiting to shine in the 280SL. Next up, it's time for the interior to steal the spotlight. As we mentioned at the start, Brabus has a dedicated team of interior artisans who pour their hearts into every stitch. After nearly 300 hours of relentless effort, they've masterfully recreated the 60s style seats and interior trims, capturing that retro elegance to perfection. Oh, it's a sight to behold. Here's the kicker. This meticulous interior overhaul comes with a market price tag of $3,300, 3,000 euros. Worth every penny for such timeless craftsmanship. Oh, and did you notice? In many shots, you can spot the Brabus team working on multiple 280SLs at once. That's right, they're restoring a fleet of these icons simultaneously. Because of this, some footage might feel a tad disjointed, but trust me, the passion and precision shine through every frame. Oh, friends, the journey to restore this Mercedes 280SL Pagoda is pure automotive poetry. Every car of this model, whether it's being disassembled or repaired, follows a beautifully straightforward process. But now, we're at the heart-pounding final assembly stage, and oh, it's a feast for the eyes. The color choices make each car a unique masterpiece. Picture this, one 280SL dazzles with ash grey paint paired with a chic khaki interior. Then, in a breathtaking twist, another boasts rose gold paint with a sleek black interior. Can you feel the glamour? Don't worry, though, the workflow is flawless, and Braba's precision is unmatched. Now, feast your eyes on that inline-six engine. From the front grille, it radiates pure, commanding power, a true beast reborn. With the hood finally snapped into place, this 1968 Mercedes 280SL Pagoda is officially restored to its former glory. Oh, that rose gold side paint? It's like stepping back into the 60s, utterly iconic. But hold on, the restoration isn't over yet. Before this beauty can be handed to its lucky owner, it must pass a grueling 140+ inspections and real-world tests. Talk about perfection. As the internet loves to say, this is the ultimate lantern inspection, every detail scrutinized under the brightest light. And who's leading the final test drive? None other than our master engineer, Carl, the genius who assembled the engine. This time, the test car sports a pristine white exterior with a black interior. Wait, doesn't that sound familiar? It's likely the same car we saw acquired at the start, rocking that classic white and black combo. With the restoration complete, this masterpiece is ready to hit the road. That's a wrap for this thrilling episode, folks. Thank you for joining us at Fun Look Auto Joy. I'm Max, and my W5 bids you farewell alongside Xiao Dong. One last heartfelt thanks for diving into Max's garage realm. Keep watching, and we'll see you next time.